Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the microphone not working on Android. So, let's get started. First, restart your phone. This clears temporary glitches that may be blocking the microphone. Next, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security, then select Privacy Controls. Scroll down and make sure microphone access is turned on. Now, check App Permissions. Go back to Settings, tap Apps, and then select See All Apps. From here, choose the app where the mic isn't working, like WhatsApp or Camera. Tap Permissions and make sure microphone is set to Allow. After that, clear the app cache. From the same app page, tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your data. If the issue continues, check for system updates. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on System. Next, tap on System Updates and install any available update. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.